Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to teach you how to add Chat GPT on your desktop. This is one of the best way to save time so that you don't no longer need to keep on going to your browser and then looking for your Chat GPT. So how are we going to add Chat GPT on your desktop? Is as simple as like this. So all you have to do is to open your browser, and of course do not forget to include this in your URL, chatopenay.com. I repeat, chatopenay.com. So once you have already put your chat openay.com, so you will be led to Chat GPT. So what's next is to click on this three dots here, and then we are going to choose more tools. Under more tools, we are going to simply choose create shortcut. There you are. So for that matter, we're going to just adopt the name ChatGPT, and then we're going to put it or choose create. So that means if ever we're going to close this one, the Chat GPT is already here on your desktop. So you don't no longer need to keep on going to your browser or typing again the Chat GPT. So once you click it, it will lead you immediately already to your Chat GPT. So that is one of the simplest, easiest, and fastest way on having your Chat GPT on your desktop. That would be all for today's video. See you on our next video. Thank you so much.